Good morning. It's Tuesday. I got poor man 4-wheel drive. That's front wheel drive plus a shovel. Sunrise Point, huh? Okay, Sunrise Point is a good place to start. All right. See, good thing I didn't get here too early, because this is what I'm talking about. They got, well, here's just a skid steer. But if I got here too early, it'd be a problem for the guys doing the plowing. So we're gonna go and find a nice place to pull into. So the trail's a little snowy. I met some Polish people at the top. They recommended spiked shoes. Those spikes that you put on your shoes. Next to winter vacation, I'll make sure I have them, because I'm gonna have to go really slow here. But the thing is, if I fall on my butt, it's gonna be on soft snow. I just have to make sure I don't fall off the cliff. So, but yeah, it's gonna be slow, but I got all day. It's beautiful here. Queen's Garden, guys. Queen's Garden. Queen's Garden and Bryce Canyon National Park. US of A, US of A. And we are gonna go hike. We're gonna go hiking down this beautiful trail. I have to be very careful, or I could fall off the cliff already. Be very careful. I have to invest in some those cleats. Here, I want to go through this tunnel. All right, we're gonna go through the tunnel. We're going through the tunnel. And on the other side of the tunnel, we have more spectacular views. More spectacular. So, going down is easy. Going up is a challenge. To a 360. So, this is called the Navajo Trail. And all the way up there, you can see kind of brickwork. So, here I am, struggling to go up. Switchback after switchback. So I gotta get up. I'm out of breath. You gotta get up there, guys. This is the Navajo Trail part. So another switchback. It's good exercise. It's 8,000 feet over here. Let's get the other. Anyhow, we're getting pretty high up. Oh, and the view ahead is incredible. We got something up ahead. sculptures. We're gonna make it up here. We're gonna pause to take some photos. So, up here at Bryce, Wall Street is closed, but Byron Street never sleeps. Always chasing that money. We are going up the hill, but it's plowed. And the sun is melting it too, and drying it. So this is at Bryce Point. Bryce Point gets it today at 8,300 feet. Rainbow Point is at 9,000 feet, but it's closed. Either for the weather, or today because of the snow, or the wind, or maybe it's closed for the season. I'm not sure. Mile 2000. We are at a car wash in Bryce Canyon. Automatic. We got the works. Paid $10 for this. It's sunny now. Car is really dirty, so it could use a wash. So enjoy the car wash. You're probably tired of the scenery. So this is a Utah Bryce Canyon car wash. Just a very scenic route over here by Bryce Canyon. So here we have Mossy Cave. This is so cool, guys. I'm driving through tunnels, through arches. There's a deer that crossed the road. See those deer? Oh my God, I almost hit those deer. Whoa! Whoa, did you see that Tesla reaction? Zion National Park. Beautiful. It's a dark tunnel. That is a dark, dark, dark tunnel. There's some light. Cool dark tunnel. Sometimes I can't tell if they're high beams or not because their regular ones are just too dang bright. Okay, this one's got normal ones. We're coming to the end of the tunnel. No, just another window. Feels like night in here. That's the end of the tunnel. We made it. That's a long and scary tunnel.